welcome to the AveriSource use case video series. This video covers application rationalization and cost reduction. Today we'll overview using the AveriSource platform to analyze your mainframe and mid-range applications for rationalization and cost reduction. In many cases, those doing the analysis would be business analysts or developers with architects or project managers planning the project. They would use the AveriSource platform to gain the critical insights and functionality from the current system and plan what components or functions need modification or repair. To execute this process, we'll use AveriSource inventory to determine missing and unreferenced items and use of platform utilities and third-party products, and scan to qualify and count content and size of the portfolio. As noted in prior videos, Scan is our free pre-project portfolio assessment product. Clients and service providers run this for project planning and staffing determination. For any project, whether it be daily maintenance or application reengineering, you need to start with as complete an analysis repository as possible. The biggest part of rationalization or cost reduction is knowing what you have. AveriSource inventory helps in that process and identifies not just missing or unreferenced items, but also platform utilities and third-party products that may need consolidation, removal, or replacement, showing where they're referenced down to the line of code for context analysis. The Receive Files report shows all parsed components, their types and sizes. And the Unreferenced report shows items that are recognized code but are never referenced by components in the project. This could mean that there are missing jobs or transaction definitions that reference these components, or they don't belong in this application. This helps to understand the portfolio and complete the repository for more thorough analysis. As you can see, the AveriSource platform accelerates application rationalization and cost reduction. So, why not start today for free with AveriSource Scan? Contact us for a live demo and discussion, or POC, at hello@averisource.com. Thanks for your time. Join us for other use case videos in this series on our YouTube channel.